All right, it's January. We're diving into tax season, and experts now are urging caution if you want to use AI or social media to help you out. They recommend verifying tax information with professionals after recent legislative changes.
I would not have thought to tap into AI to do the
Same.
taxes. Admittedly, Leanne Denier has the story.
Tax season is imminent.
It is not business as usual. The legislation that was passed on July 4th of 2025, commonly referred to as One Big Beautiful Bill, had many tax changes implemented.
Joyce Chang with the California Society of Enrolled Agents says this tax season, it's important to consider where and from who you're getting guidance from, especially if you're using AI.
The issues that people will run across with AI is they have to be really careful to check to see when that information was last updated. And if they don't do that, they could be reading old information and getting themselves into a pickle.
The tax experts that we talked with said it can be helpful to use something like an AI chatbot or social media to learn more about tax filing. But they said it's important that you fact check from there.
Kaya Klotzek is a California Tax Education Council board member and tax expert. She says it's important to understand state-specific rules and how a major life event could impact your filing.
Everyone's tax situation is different. And, just like on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, when they're doing those things, they're talking about generalities, right? Or they're trying to make a statement for themselves. They're trying to be really flashy and grab your attention.
Both experts say if you're using social media or AI to help you out this tax season, be sure to follow up with a tax professional.
If the awareness is being increased by that social media exposure, that's a good thing. But it has to be followed up with getting the correct information about it.
Leanne Denier with our report today. All right.